keep harassing people here, Judah. Hey, how about Officer Campbell gets on the phone too because he has a report of you harassing people. Yeah, you can leave because you already have a warrant against you and a fucking harassment against other people in this fucking park, honey. Stop harassing people.
Yes, sir.
You remember this? You like this?
I'm not doing any of that. Being pepper sprayed by the fat guy. You're right. I should say that. I should say that.
Yeah, you shouldn't because you're a crackhead fucking druggie.
I'm not gonna say either. Do you want to send somebody over? Like,
Yeah, come get me, bitch.
sorry.